Salam, sizin bilen bir Aşgabat'tayız.
Bir karar devletinin täze ýamynyň galkynç döwrüne Atowatanymyz Türkmenistan döwletimiz beýik taryhy ösüşler bilen öňe barýar. Ýurdumyz gün saýyn gözelleşip, täze ösüşleri, bilen sepkitleri, bol elin durmuşa beslenýär. Bugün pakyn paýhasy many, magtumul Praga ýylymyzda hem diýarymyzyň ähli ýerlerine bayramçylyk duşuşlary, aýdym saly dawarar çäreler we halkara olimpiadalar izderli geçirilýär. Gahrman Arkadagly gahrman serdarymyzyň taýyr taýlarlary netijesinde Türkmenistan döwletimiz ähli podoklarda ulatışlary eýe bolýar.
Anhan bugün ýurdumyzda ul dawralaryň biri YagshygeldiKakayev adına halkara Nevitgab Üniversitetinde Türkmenistan we daşary ýurtlaryň ýokary okuw mekdepleriniň talipleri ikinji açyk halkara informatika olimpiadasy we olimpiada gatnaşan talipleriň arasynda BK döwletiň täze ýamynyň galkynç döwrüne talip ýaşlaryň ilim garaýşlary atly halkara ilim amaly maslahat we geçirilýär. Bu halkara çärede dünýäniň ýokary okuw mekdepleriniň talipleriniň we muallimläriniň arasyndaky dostluk gatnaşyklary berkitmäge we ilim bilim ulgamynda özara bähgitli tejribeler alşmaga ýardam berýär.
Today, in the International Oil and Gas University, named after YagshygeldiKakayev, is holding II Open International Olympiads in Informatics among the students of higher educational institutions of Turkmenistan and foreign country. And it also holds practical scientific conference with exhibition. What's your impacts of about our country?
About your country, it's a beautiful country. It has many common cultures with my country, Iran, and it's got many same cultures like carpets, like the people, and I love it because I can feel the same things that I feel in my country. After all, for the Olympiad, I'm studying mechanical engineering, which is not really related to the, for example, informatics. But I'm working on informatics.
That sounds really good.
So it's going to be an experience for me.
Yeah,
okay? And I'm so happy and I'm so glad to feel this experience in your country.
Okay, and can you say something about our university?
The university.
Yes.
As I study mechanical engineering, the building. The building is very relatable to mechanical engineering and very, for example, memorable. When you came back to our country, you can say, wow, I saw that building, the beautiful white one.
Yes. Thanks for your interview.
Nice to meet you.
Good luck. Nice to meet
you.
Where are you from?
We are from Qatar.
Oh, that's good. What's your impressions? What is your impact about our country?
Actually, I like the country from many sides. The nature, the people, the buildings here, and we visit the university today. It's a nice design, really.
What's your participants?
We came here for the competition of programming. I'm studying cybersecurity.
Are you a participant?
Yes.
I wish good luck. And
Thank
what
you.
can you say about our university?
Actually, I met many students from your university. They are really smart and they like the study here. This is my first visit to the university. It has nice design and nice view also, and it seems it's a modern university.
Всем здравствуйте. Я научный сотрудник Государственного музея Туркменистана. Меня зовут Назарова Джахан. Сегодня в столице Туркменистана, в городе Ашхабад, в нефтегазовском университете под именем YagshygeldiKakayeва проходит всемирно известная Олимпиада по информатике среди студентов и представителей из различных стран мира. Мы тут участвуем со своей временной выставкой. На нашей выставке выставлены туркменские национальные материальные ценности. Тут у нас в основном расположены национальные туркменские ковры ручной работы и различные ковровые изделия, которые тоже выполнены вручную.
Let's get familiar with the conditions of our International Olympiad.
Olimpiadan resmi iş dilleri Türkmen, Rus ve İngiliz diline geçirilýär.
The official working languages are Turkmen, Russian, and English.
Olimpiada şahsy bäsleş görnüşinde iki tapgyrda geçirilýär.
The Olympiad will be held in two stages, in the form of individual championship.
Olimpiada ýokary okuw mekdeplerinden gatnaşan taliplaryň sany 5-den geçmelidir.
The number of students participating in the Olympiad should not exceed 5 participants, 1 teacher supervisor.
Biz hem öğrenimler ýaly halkara olimpiadada gurulmagy mümkinçilikler döredýän Gahryman Arkadagly Gahryman terdarmyda köp sawatyny aýdýar.
We wish to express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed leader who created opportunities for us to participate in international Olympiads and competitions.